If you could close your eyes and imagine your dream lifestyle, your ideal combination of work and play, why not choose the largest industry in the world for the biggest opportunity? Base it on something everyone buys and everyone wants to talk about, where with every paycheck you earn, you have the satisfaction of knowing you made someone else's dream come true. An easy, part-time, home-based business where you are your own boss, where your next raise comes when you pack your bags and explore the world, where you don't have to miss any more big games, recitals, or family dinners, where you have the kind of support that lets you work for yourself but never by yourself, where you don't have to invest in a costly startup or ongoing inventory. Now open your eyes and discover InteleTravel. InteleTravel is a long-established, respected company with over 25 years of experience in helping people find success right in the comfort of their own homes as travel sellers. In fact, InteleTravel invented the idea. Now you can earn commissions every time family, friends, coworkers, everyone you know books travel. The world has changed, travel has changed, but travel agents are needed now more than ever before to help travelers navigate the confusion of offers and brand names with a personal touch that no website can provide. Introducing you. InteleTravel allows you to share your passion and offer educated advice and caring service. InteleTravel provides the ease of cutting-edge technology and the advantage of direct relationships with all the top travel brands in the world to make your customers' dreams a reality. No schools to attend, no invoices or billing to manage, from your home office or on the go, full-time, part-time, the right time. And all the while, the world is your classroom as you travel yourself, more and better than ever before. InteleTravel prides itself on excellent customer service, technology, automated marketing, and agent-optional education. After decades, InteleTravel is so confident in the success of our agents that we stand behind a 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee, as well as a unique profitability guarantee. Turn your passion into income, doing something you already love, and now get paid to do it. And in the process, learn, grow, and have fun. If you were going to build the perfect home business, it would look like InteleTravel, and we've already done it for you. InteleTravel, the original travel agency at home.